can use this. Oops. I'm going to give to this one. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Nyx Beauty Advent Calendar, and this time it is pretty massive. Yes, it is huge, and this is the new year countdown to 2020, 2021. The theme of it is diamonds and ice, please. The design is super pretty, and this time we have 31 products. So basically you have one product for every day of September, which is not bad, but it somehow cancels the whole spirit of advent calendars. The price for this one is €59.95, and I'm a big fan of Nyx advent calendars. They are going to release 2 more advent calendars. I thought that I bought one of them, to be honest, and when I received this one I was very surprised because it is huge, and the Nyx advent calendars are always worth the money. I'm very excited for this one, and I'm expecting products for a full face makeup look. I mean, we have 31 products. I couldn't find any information about the overall value of the products, so I'm going to calculate it at the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more advent calendar videos, and also subscribe to get notified about them. With the Nyx advent calendars we always have a fun design. I really like this one, and I'm very curious to see if this is actually the theme of the products as well. Maybe the packaging is like diamonds and ice. I don't know. Mine came a little bit beaten up, so you can see on the bottom and also on the side it was ripped off. We have a sticker here, and then now let's remove the cover, and this is how it looks. Number 1 is part of the diamonds. It's very lightweight. I don't hear anything. Oh, the product is hidden inside this paper. And we have a lip product. This one here is the soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Cannes. I'm very curious to see how this one looks in this shade, because I have it in another one. Ooh, the color is very nice, but I don't usually use metallic products on my lips because they intensify my lines. Box number 2. This is a little bit fuller, but again I don't hear anything. Oh, everything is wrapped in the paper. And we have another lip product. This is the NYX Candy Sleek Glowy Lip Color. I have tried this in another shade, and it has a very nice pigmentation. So this one here is the shade Single Serving. I don't have this one, so I'm gonna open it. Oh my god. 10,000 hours later. It looks like a very beautiful dark red cherry lipstick. It has a sweet chemical scent. This one here is a full size. Let's see where is number 3. This one is even lighter. And this is another lip product. Oh my god. I can see a pattern here. So this is the Sliptease Lip Lacquer in the shade Strawberry Whip. I think I actually have this again. So the new one, I'm gonna keep it for a giveaway. And let's see the color of it. Oh, it has a minty scent. This one has more coverage than the previous lip product. I don't like that we already have 3 lip products. I hope that we have other products as well. Box number 4. Oh, we have something different. And this is the On The Rise Volume Mascara. As it seems, this is a mini size. It says lashes appear higher, fuller, and instantly lifted. I have never tried this one. I have tried the Worth the Hype mascara by NYX, and it's very nice. Okay, let's see how it looks. Ooh, it's super pretty. It actually looks like a lip product again. So we have plastic bristles, a thin applicator, but first coffee. Let me know in the comments if you're drinking coffee or tea more. I like both of them, but today I said let's have some coffee. And where is number 5? Here it is. I'm guessing this is a lip product again, and I was right. This one here is the soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Milan. This one is also in a full size. Ooh, the color is so pretty, but I think it is a little bit outdated. What do you think? It is very girly and pink. You can use it with a matte lipstick also. Number 6 is a little bit bigger, so I'm guessing we don't have a lip product. This one here is the Bear With Me blotting paper. We have 50 sheets, so this is a full size. I really like that. We didn't get a mini size of this product. So the blotting paper is infused with hemp, and this one can banish excess oil and help you blot your way to a fresh matte finish and a happy face. So you can have this in your purse. This is actually a very nice product. I have never tried it, and I'm happy that it is not a lip product. 7. So this one here is a little bit heavier. Oh my god, it's a lipstick again. This is the Sliptease Lip Lacquer in the shade Modern Soul. The packaging is super pretty. We have a full size, and I really like this color for fall. It's very pretty, creamy and shiny at the same time. Perfection. I was not expecting so many lip products in this advent calendar, so let me know in the comments if you want to see a lip swatches video of the products. I'm guessing this is a lipstick again. Yep, it is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Madrid. If you are wondering about the names, the soft matte lip products always have a name of cities. This is a very pretty berry shade. I would prefer if it didn't have that metallic sheen, but it is a nice shade. Box number 9 is different and a little bit lighter, so I'm not expecting a lip product. Let's see. And this one is a lip pencil. We have it in the shade Citrine. I haven't tried a lot of lip liners by NYX, so this is a nice surprise. I was not expecting that, but this one here has a satin finish. It is like a metallic lip color, which I don't really get for a lip liner because we want to define the lips, not highlight them. Or if you want to change the lip shape, you can do that with a matte lip liner, not a metallic. So maybe you can use this to highlight your lips or as a base for a satin lipstick. Box number 10. Oh my god, lip product. So this is the Nyx Lingerie in the shade Cashmere Silk. Open for me. Oh my god, finally. So let's see the color. This is actually a very pretty shade. I would wear it fall, winter, spring, summer, and as you can see, this is a full size, which is not that bad. Box number 11 is part of the diamond, and now that we say diamonds and ice, I don't see that on the products. This is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Seoul, and I'm very curious to see if they are going to discontinue these, and that's why we found so many of them in this advent calendar. This is a pretty unique shade. Let's continue with box number 12, and I think this is going to be a lipstick. And we have here the Sliptease Lip Lacquer. This one is in the shade Decadent. It looks like a very wearable... Oops, I didn't open it. Okay, let's try to open it now. This one here is actually a shade that I can wear every day. It is very wearable for me. I really like also the formula because it has a very nice opacity. What do you think that we have now? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Lipstick! This one here is the Powder Puff Powdery Lip Cream, and we have it in the shade Teacher's Pet. This was released last year, and we also had another shade in last year's advent calendar by NYX. Ooh, this is a very pretty color. This product comes with a soft applicator. It is like a pillow, and let's try to take some product out. This one has a mousse formula, and this is the previous color that we got. As you can see, it's not the same. I'm getting very discouraged with the products today. This is box number 14. It is very lightweight as well. And this one here is a retractable eyeliner in the shade Purple. So let's see. Ooh, it's very creamy. Oops, very soft. The tip fell off. As I can see, it doesn't have a very good opacity. I'm trying to be very gentle so I can show you the color. It doesn't have a great color payoff, and I don't think that this one is gonna be very noticeable in the waterline. Box number 15. So this is the Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish. and I think this was released last year as well. It is in the shade Cheap Feels, and last year we also had another shade. This one here has this beautiful cap, and we also got this in last year's advent calendar in another shade. Oh, it's so pretty. If we had this in a highlighter. After that we have box number 16. And this one is the Candy Sleek Glowy Lip Color in the shade Jelly Bean Dream. No, Jelly Bean Dream. Weird name. Oh my god, it is so tight. Ooh, the color is majestic. This one here is very bright for Christmas or the holidays in general. Box number 17 is a little bit heavier. Ooh, I was wrong. So this one here is the Sliptease Lip Lacquer in the shade Last Frontier. We have a darker color of this lipstick. I actually like this one, and I think you can do just a simple eye look with just eyeliner and this on the lips. Box number 18 most probably is a mini size lip product. I'm not very excited, but I was right. And this is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Dubai. Open for me. This is actually a shade that I like for eyeshadows on the eyelid. I have never tried it on my lips, so I don't know. Maybe it looks nice. 19. Let's see the surprise that we have in this one. Oh, okay. This is a Candy Sleek Glowy Lip Color in the shade Jawbreaker. We actually got this one in last year's advent calendar. It is here. So I'm gonna keep the new one for a giveaway. And let me show you the beautiful color of this one. This is actually a very festive lip shade and you can wear it for Christmas. Box number 20. I would like to have a cream lipstick this time. Oh, we have a mascara. And this one here is the Worth the Hype Volume and Lengthening Mascara in black. We got this mascara in the last year's advent calendar as well, but in a full size, this one here. So I'm going to show you the applicator. I have also tried this one in a mascara review that I'm going to upload in a couple of days. I like the formula. Also, it gives a little bit of volume to the lashes. If you want something for every day, this is a very nice mascara. After that we have the box number 21. We have this glitter nail polish here. I would like to have it also in person, but I don't think so. And this is another powder puff. This is the Powdery Lip Cream in the shade Senior Class, and we have this beautiful purple shade. This one is a very stunning lip color, and I'm also gonna swatch next to it the soft matte lip cream that we got in this shade, so you can see the difference. Definitely not the same. Also, this one here doesn't have as much coverage as the powder puff lippy. Box number 22. That's heavier. We have a Sliptease Lip Lacquer, and this one is in the shade Urban Oasis. This one looks very similar to what I have now on my lips. I have used the Nude Sticks Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Mystic, and also a Lanolips Hydrating Lip Luminizer in the shade Desert Glow. I think that only one product can now give me this finish, so that's not bad. I'm guessing that box number 23 has something for lips again. Ta-da! And this one here is a soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Monte Carlo. The color is super girly and a little bit darker than the previous pink lipstick that we got. It has a metallic finish. Oh, we have something different. This is the This Is Everything Lip Oil in the shade Sheer Sky Blue. I have actually tried the lip oils again and I like them a lot. We have like a holographic packaging. We have a very light tint of blue color. It also smells very nice. The blue color is not so noticeable. I don't think it's gonna be also on the lips. On the box number 25, we actually have lips and also a diamond tooth here. Ooh, surprise! So this one here is a Sliptease in the shade Let's Get Physical. So this is a very nice shade for every day or even a night out with your friends. And a dark smoky eye look. 26 here. At this point, we both know that we have a lipstick. We were right. And this is the soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Rome. And we actually have almost all the shades of this lip product. Let's see what box number 27 has for us. Oops, come here, lipstick. And this is the Candy Sleek Glowy Lip Color in the shade Sweet Stash. This one is a little bit brighter. I think it is great for a summer makeup look. Box 28. You see the lips? You know what we have. This is the soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Budapest. Let's continue with 29. I was gonna say 21. And definitely a lipstick. This is the Sliptease Lip Lacquer in the shade Chic Appeal. This one is a little bit lighter than the previous lip shades that we got. And yeah, this is very nude, I think, for me. You can also use it to highlight your lips on the center. We have 30 here. This one here is the Nyx Lingerie Gloss in the shade Maison. The applicator of this one is different. This is a very unique color. I really like it. And I don't think I have something similar to this one. Let's continue with box 31, which is smaller. I'm guessing that we have a gel eyeliner. And this one is the Glitter Brilliance in the shade Bronze. I think we got this one again last year, so just a sec. Here it is. We got exactly the same product last year, so I'm not gonna open the new one. Of course, they are not sticking on my bare hand. You need a base for that. NYX has a very nice glitter glue. The color is super pretty for a glitter eye look. I'm back. I have done my calculations. The variety is not great with this advent calendar. However, we got 29 full-size products, and that's great. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar. Do you like it? Every year NYX is releasing also a lip advent calendar, so I didn't expect so many lip products in this one. On the other side, all of the lip products are full size, so you can actually give them to a friend. I'm going to give to this one 3.5 stars. The overall value for this advent calendar is 206 euros, which is fantastic. And I also gave it only half a star for the design of it, because I don't know, I was expecting the diamonds and the eyes actually on the packaging of some of the products, and we didn't have that. You can also watch this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!